everyone, welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 27 of GK and the name of the chapter is literary terms. लिटरेचर में कुछ टर्म्स होते हैं राइट, जैसे कि essay, पोम, प्रोज और many other things, राइट. सो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग उन्हीं लिटरेरी टर्म्स के बारे में डिस्कस करें, राइट. सो लेट्स बिगिन. व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ क्लूज दिए हुए हैं और हमें बताना है कि इन क्लूज को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं. व्हाट आर दीज टर्म्स नोन एज, राइट. सो लेट्स बिगिन. As it says, a light, amusing piece of writing that makes people laugh and has a happy end. So, एक light, amusing piece किसी writing का जो लोगों को हंसाता है और एक happy ending करता है, so, right? This term is known as comedy. After that, the story of a person's life written by that person. तो एक ऐसी स्टोरी किसी पर्सन की लाइफ की जो उसने खुद लिखी हो, राइट. सो दैट इज टर्म्ड एज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. After that, the next one is a serious piece of writing whose ending is always sorrowful. तो एक ऐसा piece of writing, एक writing का ऐसा piece जिसमें ending जो है वो हमेशा दुखद होती है, right? That is termed as a tragedy. After that, the stage representation of an action or story. तो किसी एक्शन या स्टोरी का स्टेज पर प्रेजेंटेशन करना, that is termed as a play. Next is a piece of writing in which the words are chosen for their sounds and the images they suggest. तो एक ऐसा writing जिसमें words को choose किया जाता है on the basis of their sounds और वहाँ पर जो pictures बनी होती हैं उनको suggest करने के लिए, right? So this is termed as a poem. After that, several novels related to each other by plot setting character of all three. So this is termed as a series, right? After that, a long story usually about imaginary characters and events. So एक long story जो कि imaginary characters और events के बारे में होती है. So that is termed as a novel. After that, a short written work having a personal view or opinion on a particular subject. तो एक शॉर्ट रिटन वर्क जिसमें एक पर्सनल व्यू हो, एक पर्सनल ओपिनियन हो और एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट हो, राइट. सो दैट इज टर्म्ड एज अ, so that were the literary terms. I hope you all have learned more about them. That was all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.